sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. If you're new to my channel, we just purchased a home in Kinston, Alabama, and I'm slowly redoing it. Now this bathroom today, I am not going to redo all of it just yet. We have a guy in painting our home currently. He's painting our master bedroom, our living room, and a hallway, and finishing up some trim that I just could not get done. So I am going to do in the small half bath up in the front. So when you walk in our front door, the entryway that we kind of played with the other day, we're going to walk straight through there into our half bath. I eventually want to do something very different in that bathroom. It's kind of dark in there right now. There's no windows in there, but I do want to use my church items that I used in my old house. So tonight we are going to take you along for us to finally decorate that bathroom area and give it a little bit of character. So first I'm going to walk you through the room and let y'all see what it looks like, bare bones, and then we're just going to add a little bit of my decor, and we're going to do all that together. Now it is kind of echoey in there, guys, so I'm sorry for the for the sound in there, but I may just decorate and then talk to y'all over the video so it's not so echoey. But I appreciate every one of y'all reaching out to me, and so we are going to continue doing these Wednesday and Saturday videos for right now. We may eventually start doing more, but let's get started in this half bath today. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm just going to let y'all go through this bathroom and enjoy the music, and we'll just decorate together. I'm so thankful for each and every one of y'all, and this bathroom turned out beautiful. I can't wait for y'all to see the finished product.
Where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?